sure you're well aware, the document object model is a very powerful and flexible tool that web developers can use to enhance their web applications. It's very common to see DOM used in JavaScript and HTML5. Just as a brief recap, the DOM gives you access to a complete model representing the browser, all the elements of the browser including history, and individual pages. Because of that, it can be used to access history, launch new windows, navigate to a new website, all sorts of things. Now, this flexibility and power also leads to some issues. First of all, cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery. These are attacks that can be done without exploiting the DOM, but they become more robust, more difficult with the use of the DOM. In other words, an attacker executing cross-site scripting can, in addition to inserting a script, use the DOM to read the entire history of the user who's just visited the website, or to write a cookie or read a cookie, or to redirect to a phishing website. This document object model manipulation allows an attacker to do any number of things. Cross-origin resource sharing is an attack that's based on the issue of various domains sharing a particular resource that comes from different origins. That attack is obviously much more versatile when using the DOM. The DOM gives you all kinds of security vulnerabilities. I mean, it's a powerful tool, certainly, and I certainly use it. You'll see it in examples throughout these videos. But it makes injection attacks a lot more powerful. It even provides the means for denial of service attacks. By using the document object model, you can continually redirect a person away from a given website. That would be a primitive form of denial of service. Any sort of insecure communication that's not encrypted, not authenticated, leaves room for an attacker to exploit the DOM. Taking over social websites, or what's called social jacking, is another common thing. In essence, I can use the document object model to perhaps intercept a cookie. Oftentimes, social websites will use a cookie to denote that you're currently logged on. If I can intercept that cookie, I can then pretend to be you and take over your social website. There are all kinds of issues with client-side trust. In general, the document object model will give you complete control over the browser and the contents of the browser. It won't let you move over to the desktop or the PC itself, but it does allow the attacker to do all sorts of things within the browser itself.